If you pre-purchased Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 on Steam, Battle.net, or the Xbox app, you can install the beta early access version on PC. For Steam, open your library and look for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta. If you do not see it, completely exit Steam, restart it, and check your library again. You should then see the beta available to install. For Battle.net, open the Battle.net launcher and select Call of Duty. If you pre-purchased Modern Warfare 4, the beta should appear there. Simply select it and start the installation. For the Xbox app, search for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta. Select the beta and click Install. If additional beta packs or add-ons are available, install those as well. Once everything is installed, launch the beta and you are ready to play. That is how you can download and install the Modern Warfare 4 Open Beta Early Access on PC through Steam, Battle.net, or the Xbox app. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe for more gaming guides and fixes.